Your baby food.
Yeah.
Good morning, good morning. We had planned to do a 220k ride from Clitheroe. We all got to Clitheroe. I say all, the three of us. So yeah, we got there and it's absolutely chucking it down. We're like, I ain't riding 220k in the rain. So we've driven a little bit further north to Ingleton, which is where we're going to do this part of the same route, but just cut the bottom left chunk of it out. And so yeah, basically we wanted to find the hilliest 200k in the north of England, maybe even in England, but it's not going to be 200k now, so maybe I'll have to do that for another day. But we are going to be heading up potentially Park Rash, which is a monster climb, but it's so cold. I've literally got 4 layers on. I've got base layer, short sleeve jersey, long sleeve jersey, jacket, and I still might actually be borrowing a rain jacket as well, another rain jacket, because it's just so cold. So that is what we're up to today. So we're still going to get out, we're still going to go for a ride and get some climbs in. I'm getting warm as well. I was just going to say the same thing.
Come up here to north.
No.
Seriously, going up here.
This isn't... Can I look on the map? That was the wrong way, going back on the main road. You'll be fine.
Sure.
This is why mountain bike shoes are the bomb!
You never tell me this route's fine,
This wasn't planned in the route.
You want to catch me with the greed in your words.
We don't know where we're going, but we found some cracking gravel routes. So if you ever
you know what?
want some gravel...
I think we should across and join the route a little bit higher.
Okay. A bit rocky again up here. Watch that snail. Poor Richard's in road shoes.
Yeah, so that's where we stopped there.
Yeah.
And you said we would come down here.
Yeah.
But now we're there.
It's that narrow, I can't even stand next to my bike. So we made it out there, just covered in nettles. Poor Richard is like, took his shoes off, his feet are wet through, he's got mud all in his cleats. I don't think, oh, Settle's only 3.5 miles.
Yeah. On gravel.
Yeah.
No.
I don't think somehow that we'll be doing 200k today, I don't know, do you? It's probably, I don't know how long that's taken us. It's taken us a long time, so maybe we won't do 200.
Did you not bring your bivvy?
I should have, we're not allowed to bivvy. I wish we could have brought the bivvy. I would be up for it. No, I shouldn't laugh, but that's kind of... What happened? We decided to bail on the 200 because it's cold. We haven't got enough time to get it done in daylight, to be honest, so we just figured out what to do. We're just going to come off on a different road. Malham Cove is a little bit up this way, so we're going to go up there. Oh, there is.
Have you got it?
Yeah, there's one around here. You get that way and I'll get her this way. Where's it gone? I'm going to get under the car.
Oh, there we go.
Have you got it?
Oh,
There we go.
You got it?
There it is. There it is.
Oh, well done. That's when you know you're in a little village, that you're chasing out ducklings on the cars.
Yeah,
Well done, Richard, you caught it well. Oh, baby
Didn't
ducklings.
mind me holding it. Can't take you
I
anywhere.
wanted to fluff
Yeah,
it.
like-
Was it fluffy?
Nothing cuddly like.
I wanted to hold them. Just riding up Malham Cove. I don't think I've ever been up here before. But I'm tired. Well, I knew it was here, but
Yeah, kept that one a secret, didn't
I've
you?
never ridden it. I just knew Malham Cove was nice, but I've never been.
I think this is worthy of being on any bike route around here.
I don't know how we managed, but this is where we are. That's what we were meant to do. We've ended up in the middle of it. climbing though. We'll be back. We're going to do it again, aren't we? We're going to come back on a nice weather day and smash the climbs. But today, I think I just want to poodle back to the cars. How many idiots does it take to charge and get a drone up?
Never has a 2 metre cable length been more important.
Got glaze in your veins and fire in your eyes. When people around you are dropping lifelines.
It's tough being a model, isn't it, Richard?
Somebody got to me.
I know, it's cold. This is what you don't see. When we get in the drone shot, it is so cold, we're all shivering now, so I'm like, I hope it was worth it. I don't even think it was that good, to be honest, but I think we're just going to get the shortest route back to the car. What cars? Oh. I was liking the wall. I think there's a bone. What's that? Is that open?
Yeah.
All the way?
Yeah.
Richard's left his window wide open.
Voila!
What are you laughing at, Greg?
I'm not laughing at Richard, I'm just, what am I doing? Laughing in this general direction. What have I done?
How tight have you had your helmet on?
Yeah, but
No wonder you've got a headache.
I thought it was the lack of fluid.
So that is the end of the ride. We probably did about 70k. If you want to have a look at my Strava, if you want to look for any of the gravel routes, you are more than welcome. I would like to come back and actually do the gravel stuff more. But yeah, sometimes you do 220k and sometimes you just do 70. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next video, hopefully to do a 200k. 200k next time. Nice weather day, no wind, no gravel.
If we feel like it.
I like that, if we feel like it, but yeah, maybe not today.
Yeah.
I'm ready to sleep.
Cycling caps or hard hats.